welcome back to the Test Prep Card channel. Our today's topic of discussion is very important and it is going to be one of the best GFTI in the country or CFTI in the country, centrally funded technological institute, which is National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology in Ranchi. Okay, so it is a very good college for both Indian as well as NRI candidates. So we'll be discussing about both the candidates in this particular video. The things which we'll be covering include the basic overview of this college. Okay, the secondly we'll be covering eligibility criteria, then reservation for NRIs and Indian students. We'll be discussing about the entrance exam and courses that are offered by this college. We'll also be seeing the previous year cutoffs which are required to get admission in this college. Then we'll be seeing application process, that how to apply for this college, and at last we'll be seeing are there any scholarships available in this college. So these are the particular things which we'll be covering. So I'm sure that you will be really enjoying this video. So watch this video till last, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing the channel for more such updates. Okay, so with this, welcome back to the Test Prep Card channel. Hope you are doing great in your life. Let us start with the basic overview of NIFFT Ranchi. It is called NIFFT in short. So it was established in 1966. So you can call it an old college. Okay, it has fixed seats in UG as well as PG. Around 120 seats are there in the undergraduate program or BTech, and around 115 seats are there in the postgraduate program. Okay, now in 2020 its NIRF engineering ranking was 116. So it is considered as a decent rank. Apart from this, it is affiliated to Ranchi University in Jharkhand, and as its name suggests, National Institute of Forge and Foundry Technology, it is specially designed for the courses related to forge and foundry, like material science and metallurgical engineering, manufacturing engineering, forge technology, foundry technology. So it is particularly designed for these type of courses. Okay, now talking about its campus area, so its campus area is around 55 acres. So this is all about the basic overview of this particular college. Now let us move to the important point, eligibility. What is the eligibility criteria to be eligible to be part of this college? How to get admission, means what is the eligibility to get admission here? So you should have minimum 50% in PCM, okay, for both Indian and NRI candidates if you are a general candidate. If you are a SC, SC, ST or PWD candidate, then you should have at least 45% in PCM in your class 12. This is the basic eligibility, nothing more than this. Okay, but if you are NRI, then you should have some important certificates at the time of counseling, like your passport and all those things. So 2 to 3 certificates are important, and you should have those certificates. Okay, apart from this, there is no such eligibility. Now talking about the seats reservation for NRI candidates, are there any seats that are reserved for NRIs? So yes, under DASA or CIWG category, seats are reserved for NRI candidates. 10 seats in each of the manufacturing as well as metallurgical and material science engineering are reserved for NRIs. 10 in each. Okay, 10 seats in material and metallurgical engineering, and 10 in manufacturing engineering. So this is all about the seats reserved for NRI candidates. If you want to know your fees, then NRI candidate under DASA category have their fees as $4,000 per semester, and under CIWG you are having 63,000 rupees per semester. So this is the fees for NRI candidates. Now talking about the reservation for Indian candidates, then for OBC candidates 27% seats are reserved. For SC candidates 15% seats are reserved. For ST candidates around 7.5% seats are reserved, and for economically weaker sections, or we can call them general EWS, 10% seats are reserved for them. So this is the basic reservation for Indian candidates. Now talking about the entrance examination. Okay, how to what are the entrance examination to get admission here? So if you are aspiring for undergraduate or BTech courses, then you need to score good marks in your JEE main examination. So the basic entrance examination for BTech courses is JEE main, and for MTech or postgraduate courses, the basic entrance exam is GATE. Okay, now I have not told you the eligibility. Like for MTech admissions, you should have at least 60% in your BTech, okay, in your respective field. Like you want to do MTech in manufacturing, then you should have 60% at least in BTech in manufacturing. Okay, so this is the eligibility for MTech. Now talking about the courses offered, so I have earlier told you that for BTech you are having only 2 courses here, manufacturing engineering and material science and metallurgical engineering. For MTech, you are having material science, manufacturing, and foundry forge technology. So these three disciplines are there for MTech courses in NIFFT Ranchi. Okay. Now let us move to one more important topic, which is a required cutoff. So before moving to this topic, if you are an NRI candidate watching this particular video, then Test Prep Card has an NRI ebook prepared for you, and it is going to be really helpful for your preparation. So the link is pasted in the description section of this video. So I will recommend you that consider downloading the NRI ebook. Okay. Now let us move to the required cutoff. So this cutoff is especially based on the previous year data. So it can vary a little bit, but you can take an idea that how much to target. So for BTech in metallurgical and material science, you should have the closing rank was 54,700 for general. The category closing rank for OBC was 18,500. Category closing rank for EWS was 7,300. For category closing rank for SC was 10,500, and for ST it was 5,000. Okay. For manufacturing engineering, for general the closing rank was all India rank 58,400, and for the other categories I am telling the category ranks. Okay. So for OBC it was 19,400, SC it was 10,800, ST category it was 6,200, and for EWS or economically weaker sections it was 7,600. So this is the required cutoff to get admission here. Now if you are NRI candidates, you can refer to the link in the description for NRI cutoffs. Okay. Now let us move to one more very important topic, one more very important thing, application process. You should know how to apply to get admission. Okay. Because first step is application. So as I have told you earlier, we will be specifically dealing with BTech courses here. So as I have told that JEE Main is the qualifying examination. So you have to first of all apply for JEE Main examination. Okay. After applying for JEE Main, you will get your admit card. You will sit for the examination, and after that you will be getting your result. In the result you will be getting your all India rank, and if you are from any reserved category, you will be getting your category rank there. Okay. So after that you should apply for JOSA counseling or DASA counseling for NRI candidates. Okay. So you should be applying for that, and after applying for that you should be filling the choice of NIFFT Ranchi there, branch choice, and if you will be getting the rank under that closing rank, then you will be allotted the college, and then you have to report to the college. So I've told you the complete procedure, not only the application process, but complete admission procedure to get admission there. Okay. So this is the basic thing. Now talking about the scholarships available. Are there any scholarships available in NIFFT Ranchi? So yes, there are about 4 scholarships here. 4 BTech scholarship I will be talking about. So first is merit scholarship to top students of both the branches, manufacturing and material science and metallurgical engineering, in second, third and fourth year. Second is 5 Ministry of Steel scholarship are given to top 5 students of BTech in material and metallurgical engineering. Third one is 5 national scholarships to ST students and 10 national scholarships to SC students, the top students, okay, who are getting the top ranks. So this is all for the video. Hope you liked the video. If you have any doubt regarding NIFFT Ranchi, then you can freely comment down in the comment section of this video. Our team will reach you as soon as possible. Okay, thanks a lot.